Before designing our portfolio, let's go on a quick tour of Interface's elements. First, at the top we find the toolbar, from which we'll be able to access directly to the main tools. Throughout the different lessons, we are going to talk about each of them and look into the different options they offer. However, the most important thing here is that you can customize this toolbar. By hovering over the bar, right-clicking and selecting Customize Toolbar, you can create your own toolbar layout from the shortcut menu. You can delete those you don't use and add others that aren't included. Also, you can even decide if you want that both the icon and the text are visible or only the icon. You can also set the default setup by dragging all these elements upward and even decide if we want to hide or show the toolbar by pressing Command Option T. As far as I'm concerned, I prefer hiding it to have plenty of space when drawing. However, I show it this time as we are going to use it a lot. Then we have this big area in the middle called Canvas. This is where all the magic will take place. We're going to create objects, insert images, write text, and modify the appearance of elements. Perhaps when looking at this white canvas, you may ask, what about its dimensions? Well, let me tell you something. Guys, this canvas is infinite in size. Let's show the ruler by pressing Ctrl R and zoom out. If you scroll, you'll realize that you can scroll as far as you want in any direction, like 320,000 pixels. So, we don't need to worry about running out of space, since there's enough space for thousands of websites. This infinite canvas is a great tool, however, we rather want to delimit the area of our canvas. For example, let's set the width to 40 pixels. How can we establish these limits? It is at this point when the artboard comes into play. If you already worked with the latest versions of Adobe Creative Suite, you're probably familiar with this concept. What interests us the most now is that once created the artboard, we'll find them in this lateral bar on the left of the screen. This way, we'll be able to select different artboards and layers and groups within it in order to work with them. In addition, from this panel, we'll be able to move to another page or file. We'll see the utility of this function later on. Finally, on the right side, we find another panel called Inspector. The Inspector lets us adjust the settings of the current layer: images, strokes, shapes, icons, any element. The Inspector panel will show or hide the properties of each element. We'll start using this panel after including content to the canvas. Well guys, this video has come to an end. We've looked into the main elements of the Sketch interface. Let's start adding elements to our infinite canvas. See you in the next video.